In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see device name in laptop Bluestacks. If you've ever wondered what phone model Bluestacks is pretending to be, this is exactly where to look. Because Bluestacks runs a virtual Android device, the device name you see is the emulated phone profile. Things like the brand, the specific model identifier, and the Android version. Knowing this helps with app compatibility, troubleshooting, and game settings that depend on a specific device. Start by launching BlueStacks 5 on your laptop or PC. Give it a moment for the home screen to fully load. You'll know it's ready when you can see your apps in the right side toolbar. If you use multiple instances, make sure you're in the one you want to check, since each instance can have its own device profile. Next, look at the right sidebar for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click it to bring up the Settings window. Depending on your BlueStacks build, the menu labels can vary slightly, but you're looking for the area that mentions Preferences or Device Profile. If you don't see it immediately, glance through the sections on the left. Sometimes it appears under a category like Device, Advanced, or Phone. Once you're in the Device Profile section, you'll see the information you need at a glance. The device brand will show the manufacturer BlueStacks is emulating, such as Samsung or OnePlus. The model name will display the specific device identifier, for example, something like SM Genome B. And right nearby, you'll see the Android version the emulator is currently set to run. That trio, brand, model, and Android version, is what apps inside BlueStacks recognize as your phone's identity. If you only need to view this info, you don't have to change anything. Be careful not to switch profiles accidentally, because choosing a different model can prompt a restart and may affect how certain apps behave. If you clicked around and aren't sure, just close the settings window without saving changes. A quick tip: when a game or app says it only supports certain devices or Android versions, this is the place to verify what BlueStacks is presenting. If your app is behaving differently than expected, double check that the device profile matches what the app recommends. That's all there is to it. Open BlueStacks, head to Settings, go to Device Profile, and read the device brand, model name, and Android version. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the device name inside BlueStacks on your laptop.